Instructors love Visible Body because students can use it to learn and study on a wide variety of devices, both in the classroom and at home. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of Visible Body as a multimodal, multi-device teaching tool using a spinal anatomy lesson as an example. The pre-class assignment is a basic overview of the anatomy involved, in this case, the skeletal, muscular, and nervous system anatomy of the spine. Students should complete it on their laptop or desktop before class. Assignments in courseware create an on-the-rails experience where students move through a sequence of 3D views, animations, histology slides, and/or quizzes. Manipulating the 3D models encourages curiosity and self-driven learning, and auto-grading quizzes make it easy for instructors to see where students might be struggling. You can create your own custom courseware assignment or use one of our pre-made ones. The ones we've shown here are included with the Anatomy and Physiology Essential Concepts pre-made course. Find that course and more at visiblebody.com/courses. Our pre-made courses are vetted by subject matter experts so you can be sure of their accuracy no matter the topic. Next comes the in-class lecture. 3D tours in Visible Body Suite are a great way to explore case studies or accompany a lecture presentation. A tour is basically a presentation made up of a series of 3D views. You can present to the class using a computer and projector or a large interactive panel. For the spinal anatomy lesson, you can show the herniated disc pathology model in VB Suite and compare it to healthy anatomy. Visible Body offers a variety of pre-made tours at visiblebody.com/tours, but it's also easy to create your own by combining custom views. The next part of the lesson will get students working in groups and moving around the room at 3 stations. The first is a virtual dissection. If you have a large interactive touch display, you can set it up like a dissection table and have students investigate the structures of the spine. You can set up a scavenger hunt worksheet with prompts for students to fill out with structure names, such as, "There are 11 of me on each side of the spine, what am I?" Or, "Find an intercostal nerve and write down its name." Station number 2 gives students a more tactile experience with QR codes attached to plastic models, such as a full skeleton or a model of the spine. Students can use their mobile devices to scan the QR codes attached to the plastic model to get more information about each structure. You can generate a QR code for any view, tour, or flashcard deck in a couple of clicks by going to Share, Share Link, Download QR Code. Print them off and tape them onto the desk or directly onto the plastic model. Students can work through one of Visible Body's lab activities using phones or tablets and the plastic models and QR codes. Use the link in the description to see Visible Body's collection of VB Suite lab activities. The last station is an augmented reality activity. AR is perfect for getting your students to learn by doing. In this case, students will use VB Suite's AR mode on their mobile devices to explore muscle actions involved in stretches used to help people recover from a herniated disc. One student performs an action, such as head-neck flexion, while the others in the group use AR on a tablet or phone to project the corresponding moving model in Visible Body Suite over their classmate to see what their muscles are doing. Group members can rotate as they go through the series of muscle actions so that each student has a chance to play each role. Once your students have finished up their in-class activities, you can assign an assessment in courseware as homework to check their understanding. Dissection quizzes in courseware test students' structure identification mastery, while multiple choice quizzes test students' knowledge of key concepts. Quizzes in courseware grade automatically, so both instructors and students can measure and track their progress easily. That's all for now. Be sure to check the links in the description of this video for resources you can use. To learn more about courseware and ask for an instructor trial, visit us at visiblebody.com/courseware.